Hi, I want to show you an issue I stumbled upon when installing my new Asus Rog Astral 5090 OC in combination with the Dark Power Pro 1600 watts PSU. The problem is that games are crashing my PC, and not only to the desktop, but it's really like a hard reset. And the only thing that I can do in this case is turn off as a hard reset on the PSU backside, turn off the power switch, turn it back on, and then I can turn on the computer again. So let me show you how this is looking. I just go to the options, and currently the video settings, the resolution is quite low. So I will go to how I would normally play that game when I buy a 5090. And now I'll just go, I already maxed out all those settings. And let me just play a little bit with DLSS. So I will just change this and see, immediately crashed. So I just changed one setting, and see, here's my computer. So the power button is still illuminated, but all the fans stopped spinning, and it's really completely off. So I did this at least 20 times, and I was close to sending that card back, and then something came to my mind. So let's see if I can get this into focus. It's a little bit dark here, but the Be Quiet PSUs, they have a switch to change them from multi-rail to single rail. When I installed it, I had it at single rail. So here's that switch. So I will just change it to, it's too dark. I changed it now to being a single rail, so into the overclock mode. And I will switch on the power supply again. So now just powering on the machine. Oh, wait, I think I did not. Ah, right, I need to give back power. And now, yes, now it's powering on. And you see, now the difference is this little orange light here. That indicates that the overclock mode is now on. So let's give that machine some seconds to come back to life and to boot up. And then let's just try this again. So, by the way, I did not only have that issue in Indiana Jones, I also have it in Commandos Origins. So there it's even worse. So as soon as the game launches and the video starts playing, it crashes immediately. Same effect. So quickly logging in. Same effect, computer completely shuts down, only hard reset helps. It even does not react to me pressing the reset button in this case. Of course, before I thought about this OC mode of the power supply, I did tests, I installed all the drivers, everything that you can read in the internet, and of course nothing helped. I was really frustrated. And then finally I just thought of that switch, installed the slot, the bracket. So now I need to go into the default settings of Indiana Jones because it had a hard crash. Let's hope that I get an image now. Here we go. And remember, now the overclock mode of the PSU is enabled. Need to quickly wait the intro movie. And then I can already spoil you, it won't crash anymore. I played already an hour today. I tested Commandos, everything is just working as it should. And the only difference is changing that PSU from multi-rail to single rail. So what I do is, of course, I want to go back to a native resolution. So, and then I go to the Epic settings. I enable this, I do that, yes. And on the other mode, it would already have crashed. So when I change this, balanced performance, ultra performance, DLLA, all no problem. I can just play around with those settings. And of course, when you have a 5090, you do maybe something like that. So also I can use all the nice features. And when I go into the game, press continue now, you will see that it's just running and everything is just nice and smooth. I have no issues at all. And yeah, that's it. I wanted to share that with you because potentially others might have the Dark Power Pro 13 from Be Quiet and maybe also didn't think of enabling the overclock mode, and potentially other people having overclock 5090s, so OC versions of the card, and have the exact same behavior that is a hard reset and only plugging the power cord helps. At least know that this is not a driver issue. When your computer really does that hard reset, this is a hardware thing where the power supply goes into the overcurrent protection mode. And yeah, what I can say is I think those OC cards, especially the Rog Astral, I guess has spikes that go way beyond the 600 watts, and I just think the overcurrent protection kicks in. And for some reason, this is happening when I do changes with the settings for DLSS. So here I go. Oh, it's so nice that it just doesn't crash. It took me 2 days to figure that out, and I feel super stupid that I wasted 2 full days. I even uninstalled, I completely wiped my C drive, installed a fresh Windows, installed everything from scratch, and had the same issues. Okay, so that's it. I hope I could potentially help somebody else. And yeah, maybe if you think of buying the Dark Power Pro series for 5090, don't forget about the overclock key that you can set. That's it. Bye bye.